Okay, what if I told you that you could build an absolutely stunning, professional looking website in just a few minutes? And I mean, without writing a single line of code. And get this, for free. Yeah, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how it's not just possible, it's actually pretty easy. Just take a look at this. It's clean, it's modern, it's even got these cool custom animations. Now, what if I told you this entire thing was built by an AI in less than 5 minutes? Seriously. Your first thought has to be how, right? How is that even possible? What kind of magic are we talking about here? Well, the magic has a name. It's a brand new tool from Google called Anti-Gravity. And this is the secret sauce that makes this whole thing work. So, what exactly is it? The best way to think about Google Anti-Gravity is like having your own personal AI web developer on call 24/7. Under the hood, yeah, it's a code editor, and it's supercharged by Gemini, which is Google's most powerful AI model. But here's the game changer. You never even have to see the code. You just talk to it. You tell it what you want in plain English, and it goes off and builds it for you. So let's peek under the hood for a sec. This thing is powered by Gemini 3 Pro. It has what they call agentic features, which is just a fancy way of saying it can actually think for itself, it can plan and build things for you. It's also multimodal, meaning you can give it text, you can give it images, and it understands both. But the absolute best part, you need zero coding knowledge to use it. And the real magic behind its simplicity is something called the Agent Manager. This is what hides all the complicated stuff from you. So instead of staring at a wall of code that looks like something out of the Matrix, you just get this simple, friendly chat window. You literally just talk to the AI, tell it what you want to build, and poof, it gets to work. Okay, so how does it actually work in practice? It's really just a simple 3-step process. All you have to remember is prepare, prompt, and preview. Let me walk you through it. Step 1, prepare. You just grab up to 5 images you want to use for your site and upload them. Step 2, prompt. This is where you tell the AI what you want. You could type something super simple like, hey, build me a portfolio website for an urban photographer, and let's go with the black and yellow theme. And then step 3, preview. You just hit go, and the AI takes over. It thinks, it generates all the code, and it builds the entire site right in front of you. And you're probably wondering, how long does all that thinking and building take? About 5 minutes. That's it. It's just wild. In the time it takes to make a cup of coffee, the AI is literally planning out the whole structure, writing the HTML, styling it all with CSS, adding some slick JavaScript animations. It's doing the whole shebang. And honestly, the final product can be genuinely shocking. In a good way. The person who tested this out had this to say when they saw the site for the first time. You can just hear the surprise in that, right? That wow moment when you realize the AI didn't just follow instructions, it actually made something really, really cool. All right, so now you've got this awesome website sitting in a little folder on your computer. That's great, but how do you get it from your desktop out onto the actual internet so the whole world can see it? Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is where it gets tricky, or this is where I have to pay, right? Nope, not at all. There are these amazing services out there like Cloudflare Pages and Netlify, and both of them have awesome free plans that are perfect for this. For this example, we're going to use Cloudflare just because it's super easy and incredibly powerful. And when I say it's easy, I mean it's almost laughably simple. They literally call it the drag, drop, deploy method. All you do is create a free Cloudflare account, take that website folder the AI made for you, you just drag it into their uploader, drop it, and hit the deploy button. That is literally it. And the cost for all this? Let's tally it up. Building the site with AI? Free. Putting that site on the internet for everyone to see? Also free. So from the moment you have an idea to the moment your website is live, the grand total is a big, fat zero. Nothing. And boom, just like that, in maybe a minute or two, Cloudflare spits out a live link. You click on it, and there it is. The website that was just an idea in your head a few minutes ago is now live and online for anyone, anywhere to visit. It's a pretty incredible feeling. Okay, so knowing how to do this is one thing, but what does this all really mean? Because this is way more than just a cool tech demo. This is a huge shift in who gets to create things for the web. And what happens when you want to change something? Is that hard? Nope, it's just as easy as creating it. You don't have to learn a bunch of code to make an edit. You just go right back to that agent manager and type, hey, change the main color to blue, or can you add a new section about my services? The AI does the work, gives you a new folder, and you just drag and drop that one to update your site. This is really the most important takeaway from all of this. What tools like this are doing is they're democratizing creation. That's a big word, but all it means is that the huge barrier that used to exist, the need to know code to build a great website, that barrier has just completely crumbled. This kind of power isn't just for developers anymore, it's for everyone. So, really, that leaves us with just one final question for you. Think about that idea you have for a small business, for your personal portfolio, for a cool project. Now that the technical hurdles are gone and the cost is zero, what idea that's been stuck in the back of your head are you finally going to bring to life?